If you're in the market for a gaming laptop, you need to stop shopping because I've found the one for you. It is the Asus ROG Strix Scar III 17-inch, and it is a beast. Out the box, this baby is thick. It is so powerful, and it also has the fastest laptop display with a 240Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time. It's running an Intel 9th generation 8-core processor, and it's also running the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070. So expect super fast display, super fast response rate like we said, and a fast frame rate, which means you're gonna get a smooth gameplay action, especially if you play FPS games. So if you're into the shoot 'em ups, this is the laptop for you. You're gonna love this, you're gonna enjoy it. Most people's biggest concern with gaming laptops, and let's be honest, is the fact that ultimately they overheat, they're not great to play on for long periods of time. You're not gonna have the problem now because this has intelligent cooling. So what that means is that there's a combination of hardware, software, and actual structural design that's changed the air take and made sure that it's gonna stay cooler for longer. Also, there's this really cool keyboard air ventilation thing, which is gonna keep your little fingers super cool. Talking about design, all of those things make it cooler, but also Asus has partnered with BMW Design Works Group, and that means that you're gonna look really good when you pull this out of your bag at LAN. It's a really sexy laptop, and a lot of thought has gone into the structure and the feel of it. The great thing about the Scar 3 though is there's lots of additional features, and you know as gamers, we like a bunch of extras, so let's get into them. The first is the smart Wi-Fi with range boost. So this is gonna increase your Wi-Fi range by up to 30%. If you're a gamer though, maybe you shouldn't probably be playing on Wi-Fi, but the great thing about this is sometimes you find yourself in a situation, maybe you're in a hotel, maybe you had to go to your aunt's house for a family function and you can't access an Ethernet cable. Well then don't worry, because you've got this option available to you on your laptop. Another great extra is the Asus Aura Sync capability on the Scar 3. You're gonna be able to personalize and add all sorts of effects and RGB colors to your laptop, which obviously we all love RGB. Finally, and this is kind of cool, is the incorporation of the ROG Keystone into the Scar 3. So this is an actual physical key that you'll be able to plug into your notebook, and it'll automatically load up your ROG system preferences. It also unlocks access to an encrypted shadow drive, which is great if you have private or personal information that you want to store, which is also great if you have some naughty files that you don't want anyone to see. And that is everything that you're gonna get in the Scar 3. It's an incredible gaming laptop, it's one of the best, and it's an absolute thick beast. This is the one for you if you're a hardcore gamer.